In today's fast-paced retail landscape, a reliable and uninterrupted point-of-sale system is essential for business success. However, occasional internet connectivity issues or unstable networks can disrupt sales operations and negatively impact customer satisfaction. To overcome this challenge, Shopify POS offers an innovative solution: offline mode. By providing the ability to process transactions and store data even without an internet connection, Shopify POS empowers retailers to continue serving their customers seamlessly. In this video, we will delve into the significance and benefits of offline mode in Shopify POS and explore how it transforms retail operations. Embracing uninterrupted sales, the retail industry operates in diverse environments, ranging from bustling city centers to remote locations with limited internet connectivity. In such scenarios, the traditional reliance on an internet-dependent POS system can prove to be a major hurdle. Offline mode in Shopify POS eliminates this limitation, enabling retailers to conduct business regardless of network availability. With offline mode, retailers can process transactions, accept payments, and issue receipts even in situations where an internet connection is absent or unstable. This feature ensures that sales operations can continue smoothly, minimizing downtime and maximizing revenue potential. Customers can complete their purchases without any disruption, resulting in a positive shopping experience and customer satisfaction. Data synchronization and security. Offline mode in Shopify POS goes beyond simple transaction processing. It also includes robust data synchronization capabilities. When an internet connection is reestablished, Shopify POS automatically syncs the offline sales data with the central system, ensuring that no information is lost. This seamless synchronization guarantees that retailers have accurate and up-to-date sales data at all times. Data security is a crucial concern for retailers, and offline mode in Shopify POS addresses this issue effectively. The system stores sales data securely on the device while offline, ensuring that sensitive customer information and transaction details are protected. By minimizing reliance on continuous internet connectivity, offline mode mitigates the risks associated with data breaches and unauthorized access. Flexibility and mobility. One of the significant advantages of offline mode in Shopify POS is the flexibility it offers retailers. It liberates them from the constraints of being tied to a fixed location with reliable internet access. Whether it's a pop-up shop, a trade show, or an outdoor event, retailers can take their business anywhere and serve customers without limitations. The mobility aspect of offline mode allows retailers to engage in face-to-face interactions with customers and provide a personalized shopping experience. They can effortlessly move around the store or event space, assisting customers, showcasing products, and processing transactions on the spot. This dynamic approach enhances customer engagement and strengthens brand loyalty. Moreover, the offline mode in Shopify POS is particularly valuable for businesses with multiple locations. In cases where one store experiences connectivity issues, retailers can seamlessly switch to offline mode without disrupting the overall sales process. This flexibility ensures that business operations continue uninterrupted, regardless of individual store connectivity challenges. Inventory management and insights. Inventory management is a critical aspect of retail operations, and offline mode in Shopify POS includes robust features to address this need. Retailers can continue tracking inventory levels, generating sales reports, and managing stock even in offline mode. This capability prevents stock discrepancies and ensures that retailers have accurate visibility into their inventory at all times. Furthermore, offline mode allows retailers to gather valuable insights about customer behavior and sales patterns, even in locations with limited or no internet connectivity. This data can be analyzed later when an internet connection is available, enabling retailers to make informed decisions regarding product assortment, marketing strategies, and inventory replenishment.